Welcome. I'm going to share some light language with you today. Peace and balance is so needed in the world right now. And this is a transmission from the Blue Rose. Sarah is the keeper of the Blue Rose flame. She is the next generation. The Blue Rose is a beautiful lineage of light, and they can bring calm and harmony to your heart. And as we each bring more calmness and harmony into ourselves, so we can share it with the world. So this is for you. Enara sota kimeleya. Sara atoma li eshna ke. Ona ti. Shara lumea kiso. Lami. Noya te ashare. Etia colorasali mana yara te shana. With the blue rose, we open our hearts to peace and anchor the song of light. Peace returns. Peace awakens. The light of the divine restores all. Feel that light entering your heart. Breathe it in deep. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be. Amen. Now, if you feel called to go deeper, we have the registration open for the 6-month training in the Blue Rose. I'll put the details below. That is beginning in January. But much sooner, we have our first monthly Sacred Circle group. That's on November the 5th. It's going to be on the first Wednesday of every month. It's available for everybody to join. And I also have a few one-to-one sessions available with Sarah, all the Blue Rose, or both channeled sessions with me. Now, with Sarah's love, may balance and grace return to all beings. Bye for now.